Hey everyone, welcome back to Proggy. So, if you're tired of all the distractions while you're watching YouTube, the endless recommendations, the negative comment sections like this, the ugly live chats like this while you're watching something, then you have come to the right place. Today, I'll show you a powerful Firefox extension called Unhook YT that lets you take control of your YouTube experience. You will learn how to hide the comment section, remove annoying live chats, clean up your homepage, enable cinematic mode by default for a better viewing experience, and more. So let's get started. The first thing which you need to do is install the add-on. So for that, you have to go to the Firefox menu, application menu, go to add-ons and themes. After that, go to extensions. And from here, you can just click on this particular link, or you can go right at the bottom and click find more add-ons. It will take you to the official Firefox add-ons page. There you go and just type Unhook YT. Okay, so this is the first one which you have to add to Firefox. Just click on the blue button, click on add here, and that's it. The particular extension is now loaded. After installation, sometimes you might not see the particular extension in the toolbar. So for that, you have to go to this particular icon of extensions, and from here you just right click and click on pin to toolbar, so this will come. I have disabled it at present to just show you how this works. So first thing we will go is to hide the comments section of YouTube. So in this page of YouTube which I have opened, you can see there are a lot of comments. So let's see what happens when we enable the extension. By default, actually some of the toggles are on, that's why you will see an immediate impact. So now you have to just find hide comments and click on the toggle to turn it blue. And as you can see, now I can't scroll down because that's the end of the page. So the entire comments part is gone. The next thing which I want to show you is to how to hide the live chat. Sometimes it becomes very annoying and most of the comments are like plain profanity or rubbish. So you have to go to this particular extension, Unhook, and click on hide video sidebar. So this has a big impact and it will hide the entire right sidebar. And you can see everything is now gone. So if you want the recommendation still, then you have to unclick on this hide recommended and the recommendations will come again then. Another feature of this extension is that by default it disables the autoplay also. So if you want to enable that, you have to just toggle and ensure the toggle is off for disable autoplay. And there is one more stuff, like it may not be relevant to a lot of you, but like you can also hide the video info. So like here, if I click on this, you will see the entire thing is gone. So okay, you may or may not need it, I don't know, but the feature is there. Oh yes, and this also has a feature to hide shorts if you don't like this vertical videos which come up very often. So you have to just click on the toggle of hide shorts and that is gone. But yes, it does not work fully, I guess. Now you can watch YouTube the way you want without annoying distractions, useless recommendations, toxic comments, or spammy live chats. So if this video helped you, hit that like button and subscribe to this channel for more tech tutorials. What's the most distracting part of YouTube for you? Let me know in the comments. And thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.